mag-upgrade from hard drive to SSD, panoorin mo muna to. At may nagtanong, and let me explain to you in 60 seconds. First, i-check kung merong M.2 slot and go for NVMe SSD. Pero kung wala, okay lang ang SATA. Mabilis pa rin siya kaysa sa hard drive. Second, i-check mo rin yung health ng current hard drive mo. Download HDD Sentinel. Tapos tignan mo yung health percentage. Pag mas mababa ng 80%, I don't recommend na i-retain mo siya. Kasi yan ang magpapabagal ng performance mo. Pero pag okay pa, 90 to 100%, retain mo as a storage drive for files or games. Make sure na yung SSD mo ang naka-primary boot. Kasi walang kwenta na nag-upgrade ka ng SSD kung hard drive pa rin ang naka-primary boot. Mabagal pa rin ang startup. Check mo sa BIOS or disk management kung ang boot drive ay nasa SSD. At kung bibili ka ng SSD, piliin mo kung anong fit para sa'yo. 120 to 240 gig pang OS plus light use. 500 gig balance for daily use. 1 TB, gaming or content creation startup. At mga sulit na brand is mga Kingston, Crucial, Lexar at marami pang iba. At simple rule, always check your motherboard compatibility para masulit mo yung performance na bibili mong SSD. Kaya naman,